Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am with you Moshur, graphics trainer. Today I will show you how to make a flat 3D cube and 3D cylinder icon. I will use polygon shape and ellipse shape in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. First I will create a new document. So I am going to File, Document Setup, Edit Artboard. Now I delete everything except the color. So it is a blank document. Here I will take polygon tool, create a polygon shape, round it, now I will click here and make a stroke. I will take 12. I will click pen tool and make a line here. So it look like a stroke, and I will select the stroke. I will go to Object, Path, Outline Stroke. Then I will select everything, go to Pathfinder and click minus front. So now it looks like a cube shape. Now we can make a color. From here. For the 3D cylinder, I will go to now Ellipse tool, make a ellipse, I will duplicate the ellipse, I will click here and fill the ellipse. Now for this ellipse, for the top ellipse, I will copy the top ellipse, then I will select everything and click Unite. I will press Ctrl F, then I will go to Stroke 20, 40, then I will go to Object, Path, Outline Stroke. I will go to Pathfinder and click Divide and Unite. Then I will click the two objects with Direct Selection tool and click minus front. Then I will again paste with Ctrl F to bring back the ellipse shape. So now it looks like a cylinder cube. Now I will make the color. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.